Hey there, today we're going to talk about Dodge Dakotas. My Dodge Dakota is a 2002 Dodge Dakota quad cab. It's got electric windows. And this is actually the second 2002 Dodge Dakota that I've had. And both of them have the same problem with the electric windows. The problem is that the passenger side, front and back, and even the driver's side back, the buttons stop working, even though the panel over here does not. So this will still open and close the windows, but this is not in a locked position. So I know what you're thinking, window lock is on. No, it's not. It doesn't matter. The window lock is not on. So what's going to happen here is that, let me show you. I'm going to fire up the truck and I'll demonstrate what's going on. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to, you can see that this window goes up and down. That's not a problem. And I'm going to go to the passenger side, and the window goes up and down. That's not a problem. And that's the case with all of these windows. All of these buttons work, every one of them. But let's go to the other side. All right, so here we are. We're over on the passenger side of the truck, and you saw that the window will go up and down, so it's not the window regulator. All right, let me push this button, and look at this. Nothing. The window will not move. Now, I have already replaced the switch. Got the brand new, well, the used switch is actually in this box. But it didn't matter. The new switch, the old switch, nothing worked. And that was the case also for the back door and the driver's side back door. Let me show you what I found out. All right, so I'm no mechanic, but I've done enough reading and researching on the internet to find out that all of the wiring and connections for these windows all come back to this thing. So what I did, I went on Amazon and I bought a new one. It was about 18 bucks. So let's swap it out. I've already started. I've loosened the one screw here to get this panel out. I've done more than loosen it. I had this thing off completely, but I put it back on for the sake of the video. And then you're gonna have to like pry and wiggle and jiggle this thing out, and eventually it does come up. And if you look on the back, there's two big fat bundles of wires. So we're gonna pinch here to get this one off. Let's see if I can do that with one hand. Well, I can't. So, and then you're gonna pinch this one to get this one off. So let me put the phone down and I'll get right back to you. All right, so here we are. We got this whole panel off, and the two wires I was talking about right there, the bundle of wires. And there's 3 screws on this thing. We're gonna take these 3 screws out and get these 2 pieces apart. All right, so there you go. Lifts right out. Pretty dusty looking. Now we're gonna take the new one, put it in place, and put the screws back in. Still doing this with one hand while the camera hand is here. Snug them up a little bit. All right, now we're going to bring back over here, and we're going to plug it back in the wires there. All right, wires are plugged back in. Jigger everything back in place. Now, let me show you the bottom of this before I do. There are some some metal clips here and back here that kind of catch on to These edges, there's one I see that's missing right here, but these metal clips catch these edges. So just kind of press it. Oop, I just locked the door, so prove that works. Just gonna press these all back in place. I'll do that and then I'll get back to you here. All right, so to get it back in place on the front here, we're going to set it down and then push it forward. Yeah, push it forward like that, and then we can put that one screw back in, and it's back in place. All right, let's fire this truck up. Good to go there. Good to go there. All right, there's my boy. All right, so they're all working. And just to test, the lock works. And now this window lock is in the up position, which means it's not locked. Let's check the mirror. Yep, the mirror works. So we're good there. So now that this is in the unlocked position, let's go on the other side. Alright, here we are on the other side. And we're back to the passenger door. Same switch now that I was in the video before. And check it out. It all works now. All right, there we go. All right, so there we go. If you have a truck like this, Dodge Dakota, Dodge Durango, something like that, this is a 2002, and you have problems with the electric windows like I did on both of my trucks, and this is the one I finally figured out what was going on. Go ahead and replace this panel right here, this master panel, and that for now appears to have fixed my problem. All right, thanks for watching.